Okay, this is a hard chapter that we'll be doing a lot as a class, but I still want you to watch the videos and take notes so that when we're doing problems together, you have some idea of what's going on, possibly. So we learned a lot about solving one-step equations throughout different points in the book. We used it in a lot of different chapters. Today we're doing two-step equations, which means instead of doing one thing to find the value of the variable, you're going to do two. The first thing, we're going to start out still looking at the side with the variable, looking at the constant, and moving the constant first. So the constant is 3 and it's being added right now, so we're going to do the opposite and subtract. So we're going to subtract 3. That cancels these out. Our 9c comes straight down, and 39 minus 3 is 36. Now we still have a variable side with a coefficient, so we know that when we have a coefficient of variable, they're being multiplied, so we divide both sides by the coefficient, which in this case is 9. So divide by 9. That cancels your coefficients out. You bring down your c, and 36 divided by 9 is 4. Okay, next problem. We have 6 plus y over 5 equals 21. We look at the side with our variable, and we look at our constant. Right now, 6 is being added because there's no sign in front of it, so we do the opposite, and we subtract 6 from both sides. That cancels these 6's out. Our y over 5 comes straight down, and 21 minus 6 is 15. Now the y over 5, that fraction indicates division, so we're going to multiply, to do the opposite, both sides by the denominator, which is 5 in this case. So we multiply this side by 5 and the right side by 5. That cancels the 5's out. You bring your y straight down, and 5 times 15 is 75. Jamie rented a canoe while she was on vacation. She paid a flat rental fee of $85 plus $7.50 each day. Her total cost was $130. For how many days did she rent the canoe? So it was $7.50 per day. That's where they get the 7.5D plus an $85 flat fee, and it all equaled $130 at the end. So the side with the variable, 85 is the constant and it's being added, so we are going to do the opposite and subtract 85 from both sides. Okay, constants cancel, we bring our 7.5D down, and then we subtract 130 minus 85 and get 45. Now we have a coefficient with a variable, which indicates multiplication, so we divide each side by the coefficient, so we're going to divide by 7.5. That cancels, and we bring our d straight down, and 45 divided by 7.5 is 6. So Jamie rented the canoe for 6 days. Try your check it outs. Follow the steps. On this one, you need to make sure that you remember you are dividing by a negative coefficient, so your answer could be negative or positive.